Have you ever considered that the smooth video streaming on your phone and the stable performance of your computer relies on more than just sleek screens and powerful chips? Those tiny solder joints on the circuit board are the real backbone holding everything together. Without their secure connection, even the most advanced components are useless. Soldering PCBs isn't just about randomly applying a bit of soldering. First, you must thoroughly clean the pads. If they are greasy or oxidized, you'll end up with cold solder joints, causing devices to crash during use. For small components like surface mount capacitors, you need a fine-tip soldering iron to precisely control the soldering. When soldering larger chips, switch to a flat-tipped iron. Otherwise, uneven heat distribution will burn the components. Every step, from cleaning to tool selection, must be spot on. Solder selection matters too. For precision devices like phones and headphones, use 99.3% plus lead-free solder. Eco-friendly and highly conductive. Factory heavy-duty equipment demands silver-based soldering for durability and aging resistance. Otherwise, soldering joints cracked under high heat, shutting down machinery. Common pitfalls include cold solder joints causing intermittent circuit failures, bridging causing short circuits and board damage, and insufficient soldering preventing proper component adhesion. These issues may seem minor but lead to major headaches. Solutions are straightforward. For cold soldering joints, raise the iron temperature to ensure the soldering fully wets the pad. For soldering bridges, use desoldering braids to remove excess solder. Be careful not to scratch the board. If soldering is insufficient, add a bit more until all component leads are fully covered. The key is steady hands and sharp eyes. Never rush. These unassuming solder joints represent the meticulous craftsmanship technicians achieve, one soldering iron at a time. Don't underestimate PCB soldering. It's the invisible foundation of electronic devices. Every reliable gadget you use relies on these solder joints working behind the scenes. Next time you pick up your phone or computer, remember, it's these tiny connections that make technology truly dependable.